Hey guys, BeatsMC here. Today I'm back with another Marvel Continental Champions video. In this video, I'm gonna be recording me opening a lot of crystals. But before we do that, I just want to give you a shout out. I really think you should subscribe to this guy over here, Brody09. Check, I think his YouTube account is Brody Brent, something like that. Just follow him and ask him. Yeah, he's a really cool guy. I like him. He's my friend. Alright, let's get to it. Which one should we start off with? Big one or the small one? Small. Which will be the smallest? The Quest crystal will be the smallest. If my voice sounds different, I'm sorry. I have a cold. And I got that as usual. Alright. Next will be premium. No, come on. Blanche, I live up in no mansion. Come on, I really want a new 3-star or 4-star. Well, I will be getting a new 3-star today, hopefully. Oh, 4-star Magneto. Oh. Star Storm. I think I already got her. Yeah. Okay, now down the 3-star hero crystal. Oh, okay. Who's it gonna be today? Be someone good, or at least a duplicate. I want my characters get stronger. Come on. It's too exciting. He's a really good character. Don't be someone I don't like. Come on, you know me better than that. You know. I already got him. I think my third duplicate 3-star. Now he'll be stronger. Get some 4-star shots. My voice is really in not the right mood today. Who cares? Nah. Down to... Wait, it says I have one more crystal. Oh wait, that's just daily crystal. Let's not do that. Let's buy 2 Assassin's crystals. First one, here we go. Do you think it's gonna be a 3-star or 4-star? I don't know. I don't know. The whole 2-star War Winter Soldier. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Come on. Who? One away from 3-star Juggernaut. I Wait, I didn't have Ant-Man. I'm sure I had him. Oh, okay. Oh, no enough. So I opened all the crystals I'm able to open right now. Not a single 4-star. Really disappointed. I'm just kidding. I have a really bad cold. Let's check him out. I'm sure I had him. They were lying to me. That's it for today.